So good morning, class 8 children. Today we'll continue with the worksheet number 28 related to chapter number 14, chemical effect of electric current. Your question number 1 is tick the most appropriate answer. Number 1, which of the following statement is not correct? Yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, statement number A, distilled water is a good conductor of
Yes,
electricity.
good. Because distilled water, that is a pure form of the water, free from impurities, free from minerals, is a poor conductor of electricity. Next, number 2, which of these liquids is a bad conductor of electricity? Bad conductor that do not conduct electricity. Yes, Ananya Kahara.
Ma'am, distilled water.
Again, the distilled water. Children, you can see that this question has been asked in the two different ways. Next is, which of the following is or are the characteristics of electrolyte? It has a positive charge, negative charge, conduct charge without dissociating. It forms positive and negative ions. So children, this last one is true. It forms positive and negative ions. As I had told you, electrolyte is a solution that we are taking, and electrolyte get dissociate. Whenever the electric current is passed through it, the electrolyte dissociate. Dissociate means it break down into ions. Next is number 4. The diagram shows a beaker containing a solution of zinc sulfate and 2 carbon electrodes P and Q. A battery is placed next to it in order that electrode P is plated with zinc. P is plated with zinc. Okay. Now we must connect to P must be connected to the S. अच्छा बेटा आपको ये बताना है कि जो P इलेक्ट्रोड है, P जो रॉड है that is made up of zinc. और इसमें देखो सॉल्यूशन भी आपके पास जिंक सल्फेट का है, तो P को आप कौन से टर्मिनल के साथ अटैच करोगे? ये संशिका.
Ma'am, P must be connected to Q and S to R.
P must be connected to R. सबसे पहले आप ये कनेक्ट करोगे, P must be connected to R and Q must be connected to S. Children, what's the reason behind it? As you know that P is of zinc and solution is also of zinc sulfate. आपने यहाँ से guess किया इसको. If the solution is also of zinc sulfate, then what happens? It means we are going to deposit zinc on Q. जो P metal है हमारे पास, P electrode है, zinc है, that we are going to transferred from P to Q. So zinc is going to transfer because the same solution we take, which is made up of electrode. Okay? That's why we have chosen number C. Electrolysis is a solution of sodium chloride produces. Sodium chloride, you know, that is a salt. And formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. It's NaCl. NaCl. And what happens? It gets break into Na positive. Na positive and chlorine negative. Na positive. Children, I am not able to write
मैम
down
इसको
the
लिखना
way
है
I-
मैम.
Mute yourself. Na positive and C, and I'm just telling you the way. सोडियम के ऊपर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है और क्लोरीन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आता है. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट hydrogen gas at cathode. Now you can find out the options. Which option can be true? Yes, Anshika Goel, if you are having any idea. Electrolysis is a solution of sodium chloride. Tell me if anybody is having any idea. Hydrogen, you know, that is having a positive charge.
Ma'am, option A, hydrogen gas at anode and chlorine at cathode.
Okay, so this option is true. The first option is true. So children, kindly write down. If you have marked, so we can move further. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Complete the following statement using the appropriate words. Cations. What type of charge they have? Cation has a cations have positive charge. और ऐसे ही एक और वर्ड आता है anions. Cations and anions. Cations has a positive charge and anion has a negative charge. Okay. The passage of electric current through a conducting solution causes, what does it cause? Passage of electric current, yes Anshika,
Chemical reaction.
it causes a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. An electric lamp glows due to the dash effect of electric current. How it glows? Which effects? Tell me. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, heating effect.
It's due to the heating effect. Electrodes are dash. What we can say about electrodes? Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, electrodes are kind of rods that conduct electricity.
That rods, conducting rods, you can say. Conducting rods. So, done everyone? Should I move further?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, jewelry makers, what they do? Jewelry makers dash silver and gold on the dash metals. Yes, who has raised hand? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, jewelers make electroplate, silver and gold on less expensive metals.
What are you saying? What will be then the first? Jewelry makers?
Electroplate.
Electroplate. Electroplate, silver and gold on the
Less expensive.
less expensive. Chromium has dash and it does not corrode. What does it has? Tell fast. Yes, Anshika. Any one of Anshika can tell. Chromium has, what does it has? Don't know. Chromium has shine and it does not corrode. Next, correct and rewrite the following statements. Pure water conduct electricity. Pure water conduct
Does not.
electricity.
Does not conduct electricity.
Does not conduct electricity. Does not conduct. Electroplating is based on magnetic effect of electric current.
Electroplating is based on heating effect of electric current.
No, it is based on the chemical
Chemical.
effect of.
Chemical effect.
Chemical effect of electric current. Next, an electric bulb glows due to the chemical effect of electric current.
Heating effect.
Heating effect of.
This will be due to the heating effect. Heating effect. Next, match the columns. Closed path. Closed path, LED. LED ko to that will be a light emitting diode. Next, carbon rod.
Electrode.
Electrodes. Electrodes. Salt solution.
Good conductor of electricity.
Conductor of electricity. Deflection of compass. Magnetic effect of
Magnetic
current.
effect of electric
Chromium,
current.
electroplating.
Electroplating.
So one is left closed path is the electric.
Electric circuit.
Again repeating, closed path with electric circuit. Keep on marking. LED, light emitting diode, carbon rods with electrodes, salt solution with B part, good conductor of electricity, deflection of compass with E part, F part, magnetic effect of current, and chromium is with the D part, electroplating. I hope each one of you have done. E part, short answer type questions. Why does the color of electrolyte change after electrolysis? Like we are taking the solution of copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, solution की बात कर रहे हैं और आपको पता है electrolyte is known as a solution that we have taken. Either any of the solution we are taking. So the question is why the color changes of a solution? That why the color of electrolyte changes after electrolysis. We are talking about after electrolysis. Can I have the answer from your side? You know, the electrolysis process takes place when the electricity is passed through it. And whenever the electricity is passed through, what happens? The chemical changes. You know, the electrolyte split into ions. So due to the chemical changes or chemical reactions, the color of electrolyte changes. So you may write down. Due to chemical reactions in but a rest you can continue. Due to the chemical reaction in electrolyte, the color. तो आप ये छोड़ सकते हो. Due to the chemical reaction सिर्फ लिखिए. The color of the electrolyte changes after electrolysis due to the chemical reaction. This is a appropriate answer. Next, Sunita wants to deposit a silver in iron spoon using silver nitrate solution. To which terminal to the battery she should connect? What material she should take electrode to be made up of? देखिए बेटा, now what she want to do? She want to deposit silver on iron. So तो उसको इलेक्ट्रोड किस मटेरियल के लेनी? पहले उसने दो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, 2 क्वेश्चन. टू विच टर्मिनल द बैटरी शी शुड connect the spoon? So it should be a yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, positive terminal.
बेटा because spoon के ऊपर हमें deposit करना है silver on the iron spoon, so iron will be taken as negative terminal. नेगेटिव के साथ अटैच करोगे और सेकंड आंसर बेटा आप पूरा आंसर लिखिएगा. व्हाट मटेरियल शुड बी टेक फॉर इलेक्ट्रोड मेड अप ऑफ? अब इलेक्ट्रोड हमारी किस चीज की बननी होनी चाहिए? दैट शुड बी ऑफ सिल्वर बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू डिपॉजिट सिल्वर ऑन द आयरन. जिस चीज को डिपॉजिट करोगे इलेक्ट्रोड उसी की तो होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, व्हाई डज सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? आई थिंक यू नो दैट. व्हाई सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? Give the reason for it. Tell me what is present in the salt solution. Salt get dissociate into ions. As, kindly write down, as salt gets dissociate, or you may write down breakdown into ions. That's why salt solution conduct electricity. So children, this was your worksheet. So we had completed both the worksheets of chapter number 14.